Okay, the classic way of doing your mushrooms for this recipe for chicken cacciatore, the classic is to slice them and also chop them. We're going to do that today. You definitely don't need to do that. You can either chop all of them or slice all of them. It doesn't matter. But this is the classic way. These are just your regular white mushrooms. You want to really wash them off well. And I'm going to slice the first part of these. So as you can see, just run your knife through, just easy as can be. And I'm going to do a few of these. Now what we want is about 1 or 2 cups of them, depending. I like a lot of mushrooms in mine. Okay, so now we're going to chop some mushrooms. Just like that. Slice them down one way. Just move them over. Keep those aside from your sliced ones. So they'll come in at different times in the recipe. See how easily those all just fall apart right into the pile.